British Airways American Express pricing explained what you get for your money. If earning Avios points for flights and upgrades is important to you, the British Airways American Express card is a solid choice. Most people get this wrong by thinking only large purchases generate meaningful rewards, but even day-to-day spending can add up quickly. This card earns Avios points for all spending, with extra points on British Airways purchases. For example, spending 30 a year could generate roughly 30 Avios, enough to redeem for short-haul flights or cabin upgrades. Additional benefits include travel insurance on eligible purchases and access to American Express offers, enhancing the value of every pound spent. The card comes with an annual fee, but frequent traveller often find the rewards and perks outweigh the cost. Interest rates are standard, so paying the balance in full monthly is essential to avoid fees and maximise rewards. In conclusion, the British Airways American Express card is ideal for UK residents who want a simple, effective way to accumulate Avios. With everyday earning bonus points on flights and travel protections, it turns routine spending into a path for more rewarding travel. Whether for business or leisure, this card makes flying with British Airways even more valuable.